How to private Telegram account. So if you want to private your Telegram account, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Telegram application. Once you open up your Telegram application, now you need to go with the upper left, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and tap on settings. Now under settings, here we don't have an option to make our account private or public like in WhatsApp or Instagram, but what we can do is just simply go with privacy and security, and under privacy and security here under your privacy section, you need to go and turn off your privacy for everyone. So we'll just go with phone number, select nobody, and go with last seen and online, select nobody, and then your profile photo, you can select nobody if you don't want to share your profile photo with everyone, and go with forward messages and calls, your voice messages, date of birth, gifts, bio, invites, and everything. You can just simply go and turn everything off, or just turn it to nobody, or customize that. Once you've customized, then your Telegram account will be set as a private Telegram account. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.